Hello and welcome to my channel, Journeys and Dreams. My name is Sam, and I must remind you that I'm not an attorney and I am not qualified to provide legal advice. The information received here should just be seen and taken as information only. If you seek legal advice, you would need to consult with an attorney. That being said, in this video, we're going to be looking at the Form N400. Form N400 is the application for naturalization or application for citizenship. So this is the form that you would complete if you would like to become a United States citizen. To find or locate Form N400, you would need to visit the USCIS website at www.uscis.gov. This form can be submitted either by mail or online. In order to complete the form, you would need to make sure that you are completing the correct and most up-to-date form. This form is required to be submitted with the relevant supporting documents demonstrating continuous residence as a lawful permanent resident over a period of 3 or 5 years. As for the spouses of U.S. citizens, they can apply for citizenship after completing 3 years of living in the United States as a lawful permanent resident. For other persons, they must be living in the United States for 5 years as a lawful permanent resident. There is early filing. Early filing is submitting your application for citizenship for 90 days prior to your 5-year or 3-year mark of being a lawful permanent resident in the United States. Remember to always properly complete your documents, sign, and date them before submitting to the USCIS. The process of becoming a U.S. citizen does not stop at completing the form and submitting supporting documents. You will also be required to attend an interview. At that interview, you are likely to go over the N400 form with an immigration officer. At that interview, you're also going to be tested on your ability to read, speak, and write English, and that would be basic English. Another testing component of the citizenship interview would be to pass a civics test. You could be asked up to 10 questions, and in order to pass that segment, you would need to answer 6 of them correctly. The civics questions are from a list of 100 questions that are found on the USCIS website. The 100 questions are there with the corresponding answers to each. So in order to prepare for the test, that's where you would go and study them prior to your interview. The civics questions will be based on the United States history as well as its government. There's also the oath of allegiance that you should take to become a citizen. You could be asked to take that oath on the same day as your interview, or you could be required to go back another day to take the oath of allegiance. As it relates to submitting documents to the USCIS for naturalization, these documents could include tax forms, bank statements, insurance policies, among other documents. Once these documents prove that you have been continuously maintaining a presence in the United States over the 3 or 5 years period, they will be applicable to be submitted with your completed N400 form. This is all for now. I will catch you in the next video. If this video was informative or valuable to you in any way, please consider subscribing to my channel, liking the video, and sharing it also. Thank you for watching, and catch you in the next one.